Today, I am reviewing Dell Inspiron 1530-535 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and sleek laptop for work, study, or everyday use, the Dell Inspiron 1530-535 is a device that truly stands out in 2025. This laptop combines performance, portability, and thoughtful features, making it a fantastic choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Starting with the design, the Dell Inspiron 1530-535 comes in a sophisticated carbon black finish that looks professional yet modern. It's thin, lightweight, and easy to carry, weighing just 3.66 pounds, which makes it perfect for moving between home, office, or classes. Dell has also focused on ergonomic support, with a lift hinge design that angles the keyboard for a comfortable typing experience, reducing wrist fatigue during long work sessions. When it comes to the display, the Inspiron 1530-535 features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The anti-glare coating ensures minimal reflections, while Dell ComfortView technology reduces harmful blue light emissions, which is certified by TV Rhineland. Whether you're binge-watching videos, editing documents, or video chatting with friends, the screen delivers vivid colors, crisp visuals, and wide viewing angles, making every interaction with your laptop enjoyable. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, with a base clock of 2.8 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.3 GHz, coupled with 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD. It offers smooth multitasking and rapid system responsiveness. You can seamlessly run multiple applications, switch between web browsing, document editing, and multimedia streaming without noticeable slowdowns. AMD Radeon integrated graphics provide clear visuals for casual gaming and multimedia tasks, giving you reliable performance without a dedicated GPU. Connectivity and ports are another area where the Inspiron 153535 excels. It comes with multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI output, Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi support, so you can connect peripherals, external displays, and other devices effortlessly. The built-in HD webcam and Stereo Max Audio Pro speakers ensure clear video calls and decent audio quality, which is especially useful for online meetings, classes, or virtual collaborations. One of the standout features of this laptop is Dell Migrate, which comes included for 6 months. This simple tool allows you to transfer your important files, personal records, and data from an older PC to your new Dell device, making setup seamless and stress-free. In addition, Dell's adaptive thermals intelligently manage performance and heat, ensuring your laptop stays cool and efficient whether you're working at your desk or on your lap. Other features like a backlit keyboard, numeric keypad, and practical memory card slot enhance usability for work, study, or personal projects. Combined with Windows 11 Home, this laptop provides a familiar, efficient, and modern operating system that's ready for productivity and entertainment right out of the box. In summary, the Dell Inspiron 1535 laptop offers a perfect balance of performance, portability, and usability. With its stunning Full HD display, powerful Ryzen processor, fast SSD storage, and thoughtful ergonomic design, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable laptop for home, school, or office use. Whether you're multitasking, attending online classes, or enjoying multimedia content, the Inspiron 1535 ensures smooth performance, sharp visuals, and a comfortable user experience. For 2025, it's a smart investment in a versatile and future-ready laptop.